Hello folks, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we discussed the disposition of non-conforming outputs. If you missed that clip, check the links below to catch up. Today, we'll continue exploring our 14-step NCCAR process by discussing the actions taken to prevent root causes from recurring. Before we start, please subscribe to stay in touch and be the first to see our new releases. Stay with me, because in the end, I'll show you how to get free access to our Lean Procedures Explained course on our LMS. Have you ever encountered NCCAR records where the root cause was listed as deficient training, but the corrective action was revise the procedure? Or where the root cause was human error, and the action said, update the document? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. If it doesn't, take a look at your NCCARs. You might be surprised by how many mismatched connections between causes and actions you'll find. This happens because many organizations fail to train their people in a common-sense NCCAR process. The rule here is simple. Root cause equals action. If the root cause was inadequate maintenance, the first action must directly address maintenance. If the root cause was flawed validation, then the action must clearly involve validation. Follow-up actions like revising documents, updating procedures, or training come afterward, but the first action must directly respond to the root cause. That's why the first step in our action section is always reconciling the root cause with the initial corrective action. In our example, the root cause was a lack of validation, so the initial action was to perform validation. But it didn't stop there. Alongside the unvalidated training matrix, we also discovered that the matrix itself was missing an assigned responsibility. So, our first action became a sequence of events. We revised the training matrix from revision 3 to Reverend 4. This was documented under DCR 250425-1. We then validated the updated form, with results recorded under Validation Record Val 250423-01. As we discussed earlier, real-world fixes often require additional action. In this case, we also determined that affected employees needed training. When training is required, our NCCAR process includes space to list the names of impacted personnel and reference their actual training records. This not only closes the loop, but also strengthens audit readiness. Finally, like all steps in our NCCAR process, we record who completed the action, the date it was completed, and the time it took to finish the step. This is all for today, folks. Let's summarize what we covered in this video. Make sure your first action clearly corresponds to the final root cause. Document any supporting actions, such as DCRs and validation records. Identify and document who needs training and confirm that the training was done. Capture who completed the step, when they did it, and how long it took. In the following video, we'll move to verifying the effectiveness of the actions taken. We'll show how to confirm, with evidence, that the non-conformity is resolved and will not recur. Stay with me, I'll show you how to do it right. As always, check out the free resources on our website. If interested, use the link below to download a PDF copy of the complete NCCAR process. Want free access to our Lean Procedures Explained course? Comment below and tell me how your team documents actions in your NCCARs, and I'll send you a personal coupon to enroll in the course. Please like, repost, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Your support helps us grow the Lean ISO community. Thanks for watching, stay lean, and see you next time.